Hi, it's like Sunny. Once again, let me just introduce myself. Uh, I am professionally a business system analyst from last 15 plus years in this IT technology industry, and I have been teaching for last 7 to 8 years as a passion. I love teaching, and I love mentoring. So for today's topic is why to become a business analyst. Uh, why this is actually a evergreen technology industry as well as a field, why everyone wants to become a business analyst. That's very important right now. All right, so why business analyst is a evergreen IT technology field. So today we are going to discuss a couple of things. Uh, who can become a business analyst? Why to become a business analyst? And especially the major concept which is called as SDLC, which is software development lifecycle. So let's touch base the first thing, which is very important. Who can become a business analyst? So business analyst, anyone can become a business analyst. That's a good part. I mean, no matter what you are from, mechanical industry, engineering, doctors, nursing, technology, non-technical, or you just name the technology or you just name the industry, you can still become a BA, business analyst. So now, why everyone can become a business analyst? Because the requirement says you do not need to know the code. I mean, you don't need to learn the code technically. So you can become business analyst no matter what. How old are you? When you want to switch your career, you can still look into this opportunity. Just go on the Google, search for it. Average medium salary for a business analyst is uh, approximately 80 to $100,000 per annum. I mean, it's just a start. It's evergreen industry. Still, companies are hiring PA people, and they will continue to keep on hiring. I will keep on posting small short videos for you for just to tell you what are the concepts we are teaching here and what you are expected to learn here. I mean, just stay tuned and subscribe our channel, Checkmate IT Tech. I mean, there are a few more videos coming for more concept, and just stay tuned. Thank you so much.